Greetings one all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I want to do some shout outs to some channels that have been adding, I added their videos to my budget camping playlist. So I wanted to go ahead and do a shout out because I said I would. And, sorry, just getting a drink of water so I'm not like... So the first gentleman who submitted a video was Calizona Outdoors, and you're going to find all the videos, all the links to their channel will be down in the description along with video playlists. So Calizona Outdoors, and I actually subbed his channel. He does a lot of cooking videos and does some canteen cup videos, so really cool. Next gentleman is BarnYard Outdoors. You'll find his down below as well. I haven't seen a new video from him for a while, but I've been meaning to get back to his channel. I've just been really distracted watching Parks and Recreation lately because it's really funny, and you know, I can't help myself. I'm in kind of binging. Next is Denali down south. I've actually been subbed to him for a little while. Oh yeah, I've subbed to BarnYard Outdoors, I believe, too. If not, I'll check and then sub because I like this video. Denali down south. Cool guy. I've been watching his channel for a couple months now. PAoutdoors, good guy. I like his. Actually, video was 4 years old, and I still added it to the playlist because I did say I don't care how old the video is as long as it's kind of relevant. Next is a lady, a lovely lady I've been subscribed to for a long time, is Jacqui Blanchard. She does a lot of really cool videos. I like her channel a lot. It's very family friendly for those of you looking for family friendly channels. And then there's SMD482000, my buddy Steven. He's got a lot more outdoor experience than I do. He's a good channel. He puts up pretty good content. And his channel, he's been subbed to my channel since I started. He's one of the first. I wish I'd actually kept track of my first 10. It could be kind of interesting to know who's actually still watching and who sticks around. But Steven always comments. So been a good friend, brother, you know, good guy. And yeah, that's the shout outs. Now I want to say too, I'm still willing to add your channel to my playlist. If you got a video, you don't have to give me a shout out. It doesn't have to be a new video. It can be an older video as long as it's relevant and it fits into the budget, the spirit of the budget camping. It can be anything, like I said. If it's an older video, I'd like to be under 500 subs, or not 500 subs, 500 views to help kind of spread the getting rained on by fireplace. Getting snowed on, I mean. Yeah, as long as it's relevant, I will add it. Now, if you comment on my channel and say, "Oh, just check my channel," no. I mean, link me a video that you want me to submit, because you know it's not enough that I'm adding your video to my playlist. You know, but I have to go through your channel too. I mean, come on. Just, you know, all I need is a link. So, give me a link and I will post it. I'll watch the video. Oftentimes, subscribe, and yeah, and then try to help support the littler channels, because you know YouTube isn't throwing us any bones, and they're not promoting us, and I don't see any of the larger YouTube channels promoting the little guy either. They're just, you know, it's like they don't exist. In fact, some of those bigger channels, they don't even respond to comments from me, or I don't know about anybody else, but I don't get a lot of comment or feedback. It's always, you know, check my Amazon store, check my Patreon, you know, blah blah blah, give me money. But they don't help any other channels. It's like, well, if I was giving you money, I'd expect a shout out. But I don't expect a shout out in my videos. I'm doing these videos for people who maybe don't have a lot of cash, or just getting started, or like to save a buck, or whatever. Because in the end, I think it helps everybody out. I mean, I know I personally had times in my life where I didn't have a lot of money, so you know, just doing what I can for everybody. So even if you're wealthy, even if you got a lot of wealth and you have a really good job, but you know, maybe just like save money for whatever reason, I mean, hell, I mean, you can buy budget gear to get your kids started too. I mean, there's all kinds of room for, you know, pretty open for a lot. So, excuse me. Need more water. I've been talking all day, doing videos. So it's like my 4th video today. Good old clean at home water. All right. Thank you for your view. Thank you for your comments. I really appreciate them. Keep an eye. Check out the playlist below, which is linked in the description, along with all the other links to their channels. You know, give them a check. If you want to sub, great. If not, you know, at least, you know, maybe give them a watch at least, and you know, see what, you know, if you go to their page and check out their videos, and you can see all the kinds of videos that they have. So, and my fire is just about at cooking stage. In fact, when they say it is, I got lunch planned. All right, catch you in the next one.